All right, I'm here with Cody. S5X Performance. Got the the Goodyear Supercar 3Rs. It's gonna make a quick video real quick, guys, because I wanted to show you these E88s. These were my ones that I had on my GT3 before my black EO7s, and now these are Jason's, and we're running them on the RS. And so it's time to replace the barrels. The barrels are shot. The barrels have over 50 track days on them, so we got plenty of use on them. The myth about these being really weak is false, so don't believe that crap. That's not true. So here we got new hardware, the face, can't lift it up, but and the front lip. And then let's take a look at these old barrels. You guys would be pretty astonished by the cracks on these. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I think that's the first one. Yeah, so 11 cracks on this one. You can hear it when I bounce it. Like there's actually some flex in it. And it never leaked air, ever. This is the other one that still needs to be changed over.
It's not half as bad as the other one, but
this one's the worst. Yeah, that one looks pretty bad. Like that one right there looks terrible. But these held air just fine.
Yeah.
I mean, you sealed them one time for us, right? Like when we first caught like the first crack.
Yeah.
So Cody went ahead and sealed it with some, I don't know, what was it? You know, you remember what it was?
What it was.
But it held just fine. So if you have any cracks, don't worry about it. Just seal it until you get some new barrels and you'll be straight. And here is the new barrel. It's a 9.5. I'm pretty sure it's a different offset because that was a barrel designed for a GT3 and these are designed for an RS now. So yeah, got like this grip tape texture on the inside, sorry, on the outside of the barrel, on the bead. And then we got our specs right there. And so we're just doing the rears. The fronts, I'm not sure how these look, honestly. But no cracks, nothing at all. So that's good. I don't see anything on that one either. Yeah, fronts are fine, which is kind of crazy too, because the front would be where you have most of your camber. You'd think that because it's cambered out, it's closer to the lip, or sorry, to the barrel. Yeah, guess not. Impressive. Well, that's a quick video for you guys. Cody's gonna go ahead and knock out these babies tonight. Oh, so explain to me the sealer ring that you were talking about and how these differ from using like the actual sealant.
Normal 3-piece wheels are sandwich type. They're not like this. So the face goes on to the inner barrel and the outer barrel, and then you have the sealing ring. There's no need for sealant. It's how it is for all the 88s or mainly BBSs in general. So you'll have to let them cure overnight like most 3-piece wheels, and then we'll just get the Supercar 3Rs on it, and then you're ready to rock tomorrow. Let's go.
All right, so we got the new tires. We're getting ready to head up to Grid Life, Laguna Seca. We'll be competing in the track mod class with the RS, and Jason will be competing in the unlimited class or pro comp. I'm not sure what the class is for him, but yeah, he'll be competing in the LMP. Unlimited sound day, unlimited sound weekend actually, so it's gonna be pretty intense, pretty fun.
I think it's the first time they're allowing drifting.
Yep. First time I think for drifting. They're gonna be drifting the corkscrew. Trying to show you guys as much as I can of this. What else? Drifting the corkscrew, rush racing, Tesla racing, the GL Grid Life touring car racing, time attack.
Mr. Randy gonna be there? Mr. Randy Coates?
I don't know. I don't think so. There's gonna be a lot of people there though.
Tesla. They're doing the Tesla
T-Pain's performing. T-Pain of all people. Some old tires. We're gonna get rid of these. All right, that's it for this one. Later.